Exploring nature is a wonderful adventure. Whether hiking through lush forests, stargazing under a clear sky, or feeling the ocean breeze, it connects us to the Earth's beauty. Nature calms the mind and reminds us of our place in the world. So, put on your hiking boots, pack a picnic, and let the outdoors inspire your soul. Technology is essential for students. Parents and teachers should permit their children to use technology for their students because time has changed, and the mode of education should also be changed. Students should be given a chance to learn something new and exciting, and technology makes it possible.
The World Health Organization, WHO, estimates that 90% of humanity breathes polluted air, says calling for a reduction in air pollution to cut rates of respiratory illnesses, thus preventing 7 million deaths a year. Contaminated water also causes major health problems and 5 million deaths a year according to Oxfam Interman.
Soon the people of India belonging to different communities and professions like laborers, farmers and other came in the support of the mutiny. The mutiny, which had started as a hunger strike of Navy soldiers, soon changed to a massive revolt of Indian people against the British government. An American social reformer and writer, Frederick Douglass, once wrote, "It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men," though he wrote these lines in the context of slavery. But it also holds true in relation to education. Education gives strength to the children to become strong adults and be successful in future. Empathy is the profound act of understanding and sharing the feelings of others. It's the bridge that connects hearts and fosters compassion. By putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we create bonds of support and kindness. Empathy is the cornerstone of strong relationships in a more caring world, reminding us that we are all in this human experience together.